Hey everyone, I'm Bill. That's Bogna. We're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Turtle Rock. And welcome back finally to the streets. The 2020 Ducati Streetfighter V4S. And of course, Bogna's favorite, 2021 Ducati Panigale V2. New cartridge drop-ins are finally in. Didn't do a video. We ended up outsourcing it. It was not something I wanted to tackle. There's also another video that will probably come out of not a how-to, but Bogna's got a new exhaust. And of course, the bipolar, the most bipolar Streetfighter V4S on YouTube is getting a new exhaust. It'll be here this week, so stay tuned. That one I'll do a little switcheroo video, but Bogna's full of systems, so we will probably not be doing a video there. But I wanted to bring you guys out on a little ride. Beautiful day today. It's about 70 degrees here in California. We haven't had rain in about a month and a half almost. And so we've got some clear roads, and so let's chat about this Streetfighter V4S and what's been going on and what's going on. So first, one of the things that kind of came to our mind about I don't know, 2 months ago, before our last track day, is one of the things I changed on this when I bought the Terminioni exhaust was the tune. I actually bought for €200 the Terminioni D199, which is what this exhaust is, M-Torque tune. So I'm kind of thinking that may have been the wheelie issue. I don't know why it would have any issues with the tune or the suspension setup, but the bike just doesn't aggressively wheelie anymore. I really gotta get it into a wheelie. I am down on the Aero tune, because of course, you know, I've got 3 tunes for this bike. I may have to get another tune, but I have the D199 Terminioni tune, M-Torque tune. I have the Aero M-Torque tune, and then the standard non-M-Torque Aero tune. And so I am running the non-M-Torque tune right now, and it seems to be fine. Really hard to kind of work the suspension the way that I work it on the track, but we'll see. So the shock had been taken out. We resprung the shock. Then of course the valve seemed to have stopped working for the I think the dampening for the rebound or something like that, whatever. One of the valves stopped working, took it into A&S. They played with it a little bit, and I think it got it unstuck. But I think what the plan is Dave's gonna pull the shock out, and we're going to send it off to be rebuilt with a better valve, a larger valve. Not 100% sure what Dave's kind of plan is, but I will probably check with him this week. We actually will have a tad of a video coming out. I'm sure that's Bogna. I actually dry ice cleaned his Aprilia. I saw it at the track one day, and I was like, Dave, will you please bring this bike by and let me clean it? And it turned out amazing, amazing, amazing. So yeah, so we'll see what we're going to be doing suspension wise on this. And like I said, we have new exhaust coming for this. And I don't know, I kind of cheaped out a little bit. I got the stainless system. I didn't do the titanium. I couldn't justify another $2,000 just to have the exhausted titanium and have a little bit of blue. I don't know. For me, it was damn near $4,500 exhaust. So to jump up to a $7,200 exhaust, I think that's the pricing. Yeah, so, but stay tuned, because that's actually going to be here this week, and then we'll get that thing installed. And then, like I said, Wagner's got a full system going on hers. So comment down below what you think the exhaust that Wagner's getting on the V2, and comment down below what exhaust you think I'm getting on the Streetfighter V4S. While you're down there, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for us. The YouTube algorithm needs you. Please, thank you. I may shoot you a little bonus ride on the way back. We'll have to see how the day goes. I think we're heading up to Perry's for a little early lunch, or I don't know, midday lunch, I guess lunch. And then got dinner plans with some friends of ours, Corey and Tony, over at some effing motorcycle shop. So yeah, I think I'm gonna run you guys out to Rutherford. Oh, also, we are running new tires. A new set of tires, finally. I ripped through the other set. So we are running the Michelin Power Cups. So these are the DOT slicks. So I figure, you know, being that we're these days 3/4 of the riding year on track right now, and a quarter on the street, I figured we would just head out to these. I really actually liked them on the BMW S1000 RR. I tore through them, and so they are a little bit less mild tire. Thank you. But they really feel and grip phenomenal. So really really like the Michelin. Some of you guys comment. You know, we've been running Michelins for 5 years now, 4.5 years. Actually, I think it's, maybe that bump was there. I think it's been 4 years. So whew, what a nice day. Gorgeous day. It's green out. I love it. The hills look nice. We're not dried out. Just a nice day. Was over at A&S with the S1000R. I didn't talk about that. I didn't do a video on that. But the S1000R, the headlight, there's the little R emblem, and it like broke loose inside the headlight, and the little plaque was like bouncing around in the headlight. It was really weird. So they replaced the headlight for me the other day under warranty, which was very nice of them. Got an update on the new Streetfighter V2. And that new bike is on order, unfortunately delayed. So I'm keeping my eyes out to see. I do have a deposit and one on order from ANS, but I'm going to keep my eyes out because I know Moto Forza just got a new Streetfighter V4S P. We're starting to see them out there, the V2 Street Fighters. So they're saying March, which is just 3 weeks away, but we'll have to see shipments here into California. Just everything is just sitting off the coast. So we'll have to see what kind of delivery date, and if one happens to sneak in. Go ahead and pull over on our little Rutherford spot. Good little ride with the V4 and the V2. How's the V2 feeling, babe? She's loving it. Yeah, so we're running the Power Cup. What is it? The Power Cup 2. So they're on all the bikes now. So all the bikes have Power Cup 2s. So far, so good. Yeah, I don't mind them. So the V4 Street Fighter back. Terminioni exhaust is going away. Brian bought it. Brian, thank you for taking that off my hands. And the Aero exhaust is going on another bike that we're getting. So stay tuned for that. But thank you guys for sticking around. Ducati Streetfighter back on the street. And I think we've got a track day hopefully coming up in a couple weeks. If not, we've got a track day in March. So we didn't get tickets in time for February. We're kind of watching the weather. And so, but thank you guys again for sticking around. Do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. Bell notification is going to give you notification of future content here on the channel. New exhaust, new bikes, new S1000R's got some stuff coming, so yeah, stick around. But thank you guys for watching, liking, subscribing, and we'll see you guys next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to comment. Talk to you guys. Bye.